Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer. Now let's click on the three dots icon and choose the settings. Here we've got call blocking, so let's click on it, and as you can see here is our blacklist. We have no numbers added. In order to add a new one, simply click on add a number, and here you can type the number you want to block. If you are ready, click on block, and as you can see, from now on you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock it, nothing easier. Let's click on this X button and click on unblock. And now, as you can see, it disappeared, and from now on this number will be able to call you or text you. So that's all. This is how to block the number in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.